Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change date format in Forminator form in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Forminator form. So this is our date field. Now select date. So this is our format. So we are going to change it. Now go to edit form and then you see date field and then you see setting icon. So click on it and then you see edit field. So again click on it. Now pop up open and then you see type calendar drop down text input. So you can select according to requirement and then you see date format. Now select, you see multiple layout. So you can select according to requirement. Now select this and then click on apply and then click on update. Now form save done. Go to Forminator form and refresh the page and then you see date field. Now select and select any date. Now you see date format is changed in Forminator form. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.